How about we let these guys do the intro for once? I feel like we're always doing the intros.
That's true. Why don't you guys pull your weight around here and do the intro for once?
Jesus. Alright guys, today we're making mayo.
It's definitely Alex's favorite condiment. If he could choose any condiment, he would spread mayo all over his stomach.
Yeah. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna start this out by a little bit of common knowledge. 1 egg yolk holds 1 cup of fat. So, we want our mayo to be a little more richer today, so we're gonna add 2 egg yolk, just cause, you know, we're next level, right?
Because we're rich boys.
Yeah. Alright, so let's get you guys in a little bit closer.
Put it in the circuit, that bitch.
Alright, 2 egg yolk. Make sure you get your membrane off your egg.
Insane in the...
We're grating 1 clove of garlic. 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. 1 teaspoon Dijon. And 1/4. 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Half a lemon juiced. Combine until it's homogeneous. We're going to introduce our canola oil, just very slightly. Just a little stream. We're going to finish with olive oil. It's our nice kind of grassy, richer undertone. We're gonna taste. We're gonna slightly adjust our seasoning. Just sprinkle more salt. Just a little hint of more acid with the rice wine vinegar. There you go. Homemade mayo.
Wow, Alex, you did a fucking fantastic job on that mayo, I can tell you that. It's absolutely delicious. I didn't do anything, but I was there in spirit.
So there you have it. So yeah, whenever you're making sauce at home, always taste after. Garlic, they go through different crops. Some are more spicier than the others. Some are more less
mild, you know?
Yeah. Some are more pungent kind of flavors like that. So always taste, adjust your seasoning. Some canola oils might vary in taste as well. So that's why it's always important just to always taste your work, enhance, brighten. Yeah, cool.
And perfect.
Yeah, thanks guys for tuning in, eh? Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, baby.
And yeah.
See you next week. Peace.
What about that joke I ever said about like Cinco de Mayo or something like that?
Oh my god, that's the dumbest joke I've ever heard in my life!
I don't even know the joke.